Fisheries Department yaskem blong authority blong addressem quick time pollution ototi long Eracor Lagoon. Department ya way lookout marine resource long Solwater italem se hemi serious Tomas. Brenda Daniel i-report.
Fisheries Department italem se Eracor Lagoon ikatumas toti longhem moy affecte mol marine resource. Deputy Director Sombet Chereva will kautem coastal area italem selipin advisem all people start long M10 kasem Eracor Island se solwataya ino safe plongolika kai long hem. Mofis poison ipin stop ko head long area plong Eracor plong long time. PM italem se ME1 challenge folem COVID-19 pandemic plante oli tegam kakai long solwata nomo.
PM italem se ME1 action something ME priority. From you finish response to natural disasters, it take time, and people blame you only resort lo, only go fish inside the lagoon or reef nearby or the lake or the one river. So time one issue also may make it up, and it's supposed to be one matter of priority. Lo make them say people only got straight information. Lo make them say take a decision. From today, you may got issues COVID-19 restriction. Lo if you full up something, people only got living blog kata. Me either only go collect them all while something lo guy or only go stop lo pay. So time you make him right information. People decide make a decision. Lo no guy fish, but only go pay small fish lo market or only go pay small meat lo store or one tin only guy. At that time only continue lo guy lo one place where me poison only continue to seek them and then me affect them health blogata lo immediate more long term. So
Mr. Cherva italem selong stage ya all people inomas kakai all fish selmo crab long area ya from bacteria ifulap tumas long hem italem se lagunya emi close no mo from ikat one entry I come inside mo go outside mo imegem se toti ikro long lagoon mo time all pikinini I swim o man I hukum fish mo ikakai save kifim sick
or loss, then all mallet with them all pico, and then hotel in a pablo, all fish ways have a poison in man. By the time they come to case where lagoon be contaminated, or them sewage or industrial waste, then basically every fish from say fish and drink water we contaminated it. By the time we come to normal psychotherapy poisoning where me normally it happen in the coral reef area we got coral there. Then place now from animal where me cause some psychotherapy grow the area where dead reef is there. Places some lagoon name one lagoon, so you know got too much reef inside there. But then time when you poison them saltwater blame, or them all waste, then everything you use again.
Mr. Cherevai talam se issue ya emino LD mo emi time blongol authority I must take one action now ya. Brenda Daniel, PPTC News.
Dispensary blong Eracor long e fate I recordem over 3 sick man from fish poison long one day. Start long October iya. Nurse in charge long dispensary italem se sika I happen folem amount blong toti long lagoon blong Eracor. Brenda Daniel i-report.
Long every week dispensary ya IPC blong helpem all sick man with them fish poison. Nes Peri Emil iko long Kafman blong a quick time from ME1H and mata blong look long hem mo plante local people olikam victim. Emitalem se Eracor village emikatol people blong Nara Island 2 oli live long hem mo emikut long address sem issue we stop now ya.
Most lokata likang long stage we seeking with one little bit so I must hotel no more long data like the market and likang make medicine lo reduce effect lo posen naman lo fish inside lo poti lo kita palipote kem na house then all kita will sick Tomas I must take 2 or 3 days belum review mo kita bahasa ya MHS plan dia po issue lo solwata we waste lo sewage waste ya mena osim si mekem ting lo pollution ni kamanta palita ten coral to issue lo coral lo solwata lo reef o likro mekem osim si MHS
Mr. Hemili talem se long time ikam people blong Eracor oli tegen fresh meat long solwata monawya emino safe no mo blong oli stop kakai.
Solwata is still not safe, so naya what them issue COVID-19. By life we have, we collect them human resource, but at least we make sure say safe, lo use of consuming. Narwala thing too, say we should work as a mandol feta notice. We come out lo fisheries department, or health department, lo talemorli say yes solwata is safe.
One local Enoch Yatignu, Emi been sick with them fish poison long 3 times long iaya, fallen fish with Emi been kakai long lakunya. FBTC witness the day when Nes Mr. Hemil, he been hanging pote long hem from Emi been harem no kutumas. Mr. Yatignu italem se miarem poti long hem, he weak.
Yaram poti linang, mo 80 round, yaram langsung yantem trout, isi keras, mo iwit piti mo langsung normal time on narwala sik pe fish em langsung one position me ikiliman mani yaram lugurian situru lo saitia kafman sut lugluk lo community limit lo rakor from plantel di life lo solota plantel no work so li sum kakai blokaran mo solota plante mo lo saitia mi lewantem se kafman look Ariap from Fulap oli fesamatam lo sikia.
Mr. Hemil italem se plan the people weli kasem fish poison hiya blongol ketai start long 20 kasem 60 ia olsem mo askem government blong help upgrade them dispensary ya folem pifula number blongol people weli kampas long hem every day. Brenda Daniel, FBTC News.